In front of me, I have a very bougie mirror that's very smart. This is the High Mirror Mini Premium X Smart Mirror. This retails for $279 US, and then you can buy an addition piece. This is the High Skin. So this right here, basically, in combination to the mirror, it provides a professional analysis to complement your skincare routine. The High Skin provides an accurate and real-time evaluation of your skin's hydration and pigmentation levels to remind you to apply sunscreen or moisturizer to protect and pamper your skin. And this is Bluetooth connected, so you have to use your phone to connect to this beautiful, very expensive, luxurious mirror. So I figured, why not? So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so before we set this mirror up, I do kind of want to run through the key features of why this mirror is so expensive. I'm wondering the same thing. So like I said, it analyzes your skin, and it's a virtual makeup tool. You can do different lighting scenarios. So there is really white light, yellow lighting, depends on what you like. It has Wi-Fi connectivity and High Mirror Cloud. It can support up to 4 users plus a guest mode. You can rotate. That's nice. I like that you can rotate it for, it says for videos. You can play videos on this mirror. It's wireless charging. It has a charging station for your phone if it's compatible. So you place your phone on here and it charges it for you, which is insane. Like, that's awesome. It's Alexa built-in, so if you have Alexa in your home, you can use this. And then it has select third-party apps, for example, music streaming, social media, and more. I'm excited to jump in and see what that is offering. And also, with the High Mirror, you can track your skin condition and health, receive skincare tips and product recommendations, manage your skincare collection, and receive expiration reminders, measure product effectiveness over time, and then try out different lips, eyes, brows, and more with augmented reality. Wow, okay, so let's jump into it, connect it, turn this on together. Exciting stuff, you guys, exciting stuff. And it also comes with a pen. I just found this to touch your screen so you don't get it dirty. People are thinking, let's turn this mirror on together. And the on button is right here on the right side. Do I have to hold it? Oh, there it is. Hi, mirror. Hi. Hello. We have the lights right here. That's kind of cool. We have the camera that you can also open, which is really cool. You can close the camera. I like that feature. So nobody can hack in and look at you. This is seriously awesome. I like how you can definitely adjust the lights. Really cool, warm, neutral. Hi, you are going to be awesome. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, so now it says basic setup. I'm gonna use the pen. You have Dutch, English, UK, English, French, Italian, Spanish. We're obviously gonna choose English. Create mirror, sign up. Terms of use.
So you need Wi-Fi.
Yes, you do need Wi-Fi for this. Please open the protective cover of your camera, okay? Oh, there I am. Look straight, scanning. Hi mirror, hi mirror, hi mirror. It even gives me the temp, the time, the date. How cool is that?
Temp, well, what? The room?
The outdoor temperature.
Weather.
Weather, yeah. So we have skin analyzer, skip. You can log into Amazon, Facebook, YouTube, Spotify, SkinSafe, Instagram. Wow. Are you kidding me? Oh, so you can really see what your skin and makeup is gonna look like in different lighting. Supermarket, restaurant, and then sunset time. Let's do the skin analyzer because that's like most important, right? Oh, okay.
Three, two, one.
Okay, so let's do analyze. It just took a picture of my face, so now it's analyzing. Okay, what do we have here? Interesting. So pores, red spots, dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines, roughness, dark circles. Okay, so let's do start measurement, I guess.
3, 2, 1.
It actually takes a pretty good picture. Quality is pretty good. Okay, so pores, I have 0.36%. What does that mean? Okay, so go back. Minus 3.6% red spots. Kind of want to try the skin, the high skin. So let's go back and then let's do the high skin, which is the second option. To open it up and then to press. So place your high skin sensor detection flat head on the face areas shown above. So right here. Okay, upper cheek. Okay. Look at that. So hydration, I'm normal skin, so 46.9%. Pigmentation, I have fair skin, which is true, 13%. And then it's saying right here what I have for everything. I want to check now on the left side if it's going to be any different. My left side is 48.5% and pigmentation is 14.4% versus 13% on my right side. The thing is, it looks like it saves all the analysis. So you can do like 2 weeks from now, a month from now, or all together. So let's go back, let's see what else we can look at. So I did find some kind of magnification, but what it does, it takes a video of your face, which is so awkward. It's 1x, 2x, or 3x. And it literally uses the camera, but I'm just thinking, what's the point? Because I want the mirror, I don't want to be looking into the camera. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. I move a little bit and it just keeps readjusting the entire time. Like, I wish you could just move this out of the way somewhere, and you can't. Okay, so now that I have had time to play with it and see what's going on, I want to mention some key points that I think are really negative for such a smart mirror. The first thing is being the magnification. In my mind, when I was thinking of this mirror, when I was purchasing this mirror, is I thought there was gonna be an area on the mirror where it was gonna magnify and I could just kind of zoom in and the rest of it would just be the mirror, but it's not that smart. What it does is you just go on the magnification up to 3x, and then it takes a video of you, but it keeps auto-focusing, which is, or just focusing on the face, and it just keeps moving. Any kind of little movement you make, it just refocuses, and it's quite annoying. And I feel like I wouldn't be able to do like my skincare like that, or like, you know, see like the different imperfections in my skin. But yeah, I'm kind of not impressed in that aspect of the actual mirror part, but I am impressed with like all the little apps that they included, like the music, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. But another thing is, if I'm using any of those other apps, I can't like make the app smaller and then use the rest of the mirror as a mirror. If that makes any sense. I have to get out of the app and go back to the mirror. The only way you can use it is I showed you guys using their high mirror, is it high tube app, which you can kind of make smaller and then use the rest of the mirror as your mirror, as like you're putting your makeup, your skincare on, etc. I'm not really impressed with the lighting. I feel like it's not as bright as I would want it to be. I do like the sound. I do like the microphone. I do like the camera. I like that you can hide the camera. I like that there is the USB. You can connect SD card, which is pretty unique. You can upload photos, save photos to your SD card. I like that there's a charging station for your phone. I think that's really awesome, especially if, you know, you're doing stuff. But then I feel like you can just use the phone, flip this around, and then watch something on your phone when it's, I guess, maybe being charged or whatever else. And then the main thing that I was so excited about was a skin analyzer to see what my skin is, what can I improve on, things like that. And that I felt like was really a big letdown in my opinion. It didn't really do much. Taking a picture of my face on the actual mirror, it didn't do anything, it just said I had pores. Everything else was 0%, which is obviously false. I have quite a bit of fine lines. I have a lot of stuff happening on my chin right now, problem areas. And then I even added the little high skin, and I felt like this just kind of detected the moisture and pretty much it, honestly. It didn't really give me anything like what other products can I add. It had a hard time, adding products into what skincare I'm using. So that was kind of interesting. Like I couldn't even find the product with the barcode. It kept just auto focusing, trying to find the product, kept moving it in, moving it out. Yeah. And I don't know how to react to this mirror. I feel like I want to try that full size version because they have a bigger version, and I'm thinking maybe you could use the apps on the one half of the mirror to the other side, but this is very expensive, $279 plus if you're gonna add the high skin analyzer, it's an extra $59. So I feel like all of this is so expensive and I honestly feel like this is a gimmick, to be honest with you. Then the whole sound thing, you have to go into your settings to make it a little bit quieter, which is totally fine. But if like I'm watching something and somebody calls me, you know, I have to basically go on the mirror. I do like that it comes with a pen, but like I said, there's no place where I can keep the pen to kind of like attach it to like a magnet or something to make sure I don't lose it, because I feel like I will lose it. I think this is a really cool product, really great concept, but I feel like it still has quite a bit ways to go. What do we think of this? Do you guys see yourself liking something like this? I like the option that I can watch a video if I don't have my phone on me, or if I want my phone to charge and I don't want to use it. I think that's really cool. Yeah, I think there's a lot of things this mirror has to offer. Like the actual mirror itself is really good quality. This mirror is pretty even, but I feel like this one is even clear and very crisp than this mirror here, which is, I think got this for like 20 bucks on Amazon. And yeah, so overall, do you need this mirror? No, definitely not. A regular mirror for $5-10 bucks is all you need. This is definitely more of a want, obviously. But I was telling Andre that I would take this mirror 10x larger and shove it right in my bathroom. Make that my vanity mirror. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. But I'm just saying, like, this is really cool. I think it's really unique. I think this is great for somebody that really likes their technology. It's a really cool gadget to show your friends and family when they come over and be like, hey, look at my mirror. How cool is that? You know, I don't know. Yeah. I think it's pretty cool. There's definitely a lot of positives and a lot of negatives in this mirror. I'm gonna leave it there. I repeated myself way too many times about what I'm thinking, but I'm gonna ask you guys, what do we think? Would you guys want something like this? Or is this just useless and it's just like, this is ridiculous. You're wasting your money on this. Please let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for spending time with me and this mirror, and I'll see you soon. Bye.